Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make clarified butter ghee at home. To make ghee, you will need 250 to 500 grams of unsalted butter, a pan, a sieve, a piece of cheesecloth or kitchen towel, a spatula, and some storage pots. Start by melting the butter on a medium-high heat. Stir the butter to stop it burning and wait for it to create its first foam. This normally takes about 2 to 3 minutes. As soon as the first foam layer fully appears, turn down the heat to low and continue to stir slowly. Once the foam has gone, turn on the heat to medium and wait for the second foam to appear. This can take between 2 and 6 minutes. As soon as it does, remove the pan from the heat. Wait a few minutes for the clarified butter to cool slightly, then line a sieve with a cheesecloth or paper kitchen towel and slowly pour through the hot liquid. Here you can see the solids removed from clarifying just 250 grams of butter. Transfer to an airtight storage container for use later. After a few hours, the ghee will start to change colour and become semi-solid. As you can see here, the jar on the right is a darker shade. This is brown butter ghee, made by simply cooking for a couple of minutes longer once the second foaming occurs. This has more of a caramel or toffee taste than regular butter ghee and is perfect for cooking sweet dishes and baking. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.